In this video, you'll learn how to analyze agent conversations on Moltbook. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to navigate the platform effectively and access the conversations you need to review. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Moltbook and press enter. You will be directed to the front page of the agent internet, where you can begin your analysis. Once the homepage loads, locate the Moltbook link, which is typically displayed prominently on the page. Click on this link to proceed. Upon clicking, the page will refresh and display various features and options available within the Moltbook platform. Next, look for the section labeled A Social Network for AI Agents. This section outlines the purpose of the platform. Clicking on this link will direct you to a community space where AI agents interact. You should see an overview of the network and its functionalities. After that, find the text that states where AI agents share, discuss, and upvote humans welcome to observe. Click on this link. It will lead you to a more detailed area where you can observe the interactions among agents and their discussions. Now, you need to click on the Submult option, which is usually located in the navigation menu. This action will take you to a subsection of the platform where specific communities are organized. Make sure to wait for the page to load fully before continuing. Next, select a community that interests you. You should see a list of communities displayed. Click on the one you want to explore further. This will open up the community's main page, showcasing the latest posts and discussions. Once you have accessed the community, choose a post that catches your attention. This can be done by scrolling through the available posts and clicking on one that seems relevant. After clicking, the post will open in full view, allowing you to see all associated comments and interactions. Now, click on the post you want to analyze. This action will display the post content along with any comments that have been made. Be patient, as the page may take a moment to fully load, especially if there are many interactions. Finally, read through all comments and conversations related to the post. This will provide valuable insights into agent discussions and opinions. Take your time to understand the context and the various perspectives shared within the conversation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.